Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken in Sea of Thieves. To trigger this legendary beast, first ensure no world event, like a skull fort or fleet, is currently active on the map. You'll also need to be sailing in open waters, far from any islands or other player vessels. Larger ships, such as a galleon or brigantine, significantly increase your chances of an encounter. For the best chance, always check the horizon for any active world events. A clear sky means the Kraken can appear. Your ship choice matters too. Galleons and brigantines are more likely to attract its attention. Remember to stay in the vast, deep ocean, far from any land or other ships, to create the perfect conditions for its arrival. Hey pirates, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Sea of Thieves guides. Quick recommendation: don't let your feet get cold while sailing the treacherous seas. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the Kraken attacks, be prepared. Ensure your ship is well stocked with cannonballs and planks. Focus your cannon fire on one tentacle until it submerges, then move to the next. Don't forget to repair any damage to your hull promptly to avoid sinking. Work together with your crew to conquer this formidable foe and claim your rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.